Hello everyone, welcome to the basic scripting tutorial. I'm Raj and today we'll be discussing about the basic scripting and in this video we'll be discussing about the introduction to bash, advantages of the bash scripting, creating and running a script, a variable in a bash, arguments, array, loops to an array, if else and else for decision making, function in the bash, function and math operations with if else if, and finally bonus tasks that will be to do tasks. Let's start with the introduction to bash. Bash stand for Brunei against cells. It is a command line cell and scripting language for the Linux-like operating system. It was written by the brain John Fox. It is used as a default scripting. It is used as the default scripting login cell for the most of the Linux distributions. Scripting is used to automate the executions of the tasks so that the human do not need to perform them individually. Bash scripting is a great way to automate different types of tasks in systems. Developers can avoid doing repetitive tasks by using the bash scripting. Instead of doing tasks manually, you can write a bash script, text file with the commands to automate the things like organizing file, installing softwares, or backing up the system. So let's start with the let's start with the advantages of the bash scripting. Okay, there are many advantages of the bash scripting. Among them I have listed a few of those. That would be one of those would be easy to code. Bash scripting are coded in a plain text with an easy Linux command. If you already know how to use the Linux terminals, you can easily write a bash script by putting those commands in a file. The other one would be the save time and effort. Rather than repeating the same commands over and over, a bash script does all for you at once. This is a particularly useful for the system administrator and developers who have to work with multiple systems. Another would be useful for the scheduling job. You can automate your bash script to execute at a given time using tools such as Perfect for regular backup, log rotations, and software updates. Running multiple commands. Uh, Once bash script can execute multiple commands sequentially, this simplifies complex tasks such as installing a new server, deploying code, or configuring system parameters. Okay, let's start with creating a bash cells, and how to execute it. Okay. For this, let's start with the terminal. This is my Ubuntu terminal, and we'll start by creating a file name that would be okay, hello.assets. File name should follow .assets. So we can see a blank screen over here. So now we'll type dot has exclamation slash bin slash bash. Okay. This is called a shebang, and it tells the systems that this script should be executed with bash. Then now we can use the echo to print anything that you want. Hello world. Okay. Now to save the file, you can do Ctrl and O, then you can enter. Then to go out of the file, you can simply press the Ctrl and X in the keywords. Now let's run the program. To run the program, you have to start // and file name hello.assets. So for to run the program, we have to give a permission to the file to run the program. To give a permission, we have to do chmod plus x and file name hello.assets. Now we have given a permission. Now we'll run the file. Then you can clearly see that we have a hello world that was written in the file. This is the output that gives. Okay. Now let's create a bash script which display another simple example. Let's that would display that would display the hello world and users and today's date. Okay. Okay, that can be done by creating a new file, and that would be nano. Let's put a file name, anything that we want. First, this is the first program, then let's do a first.assets. We have to repeat same thing again. So slash bin slash bash. So first let's write the command echo welcome to the bash world. Echo for the user, then start with the dollar sign, bracket, user, echo, sorry, place the exclamation post over here. Now, date, now put the dollar sign again, and dollar sign indicate that this has to return these things only. So let's save the file and give a permission to file and run the file. So it's clearly so that here is the Friday, July 4th, time and date, and welcome to the password. So I have pasted the image and command over here that we can do clearly. And I'm sorry. Okay. Uh, I forgot to mention that I have to place who am I rather than who am I. Now save it and again run the file. Then we can see here, welcome to the bash world, user Raj, and the date would be Friday, July 4th. The date has been mentioned. So let's go to another that would be variable. Okay. Uh, let's move towards the user-defined variables. Here we define different variables to make the script flexible and reusable. For now, we have created a code here. We'll do same as we have done here, and this is the output that we'll be getting. And let's do it in the terminal, and that would be nano variable.assets slash bin slash bash. Okay, now we'll start by course equals to, that would be OPERATING operating system 2 tasks equals to let's put this is our fourth task, so I'm placing a 4, and the line would be today's date 4th 4th July 2025. Sorry. Now echo course uh, that would be with a dollar sign course course and echo. Now we have to write reality complete the task by the deadline. So let's save the file, keep permission, and let's run the command. Uh, let's see what mistake I have done. For that, let's go inside the file and see what I have done. What I have done a mistake. Okay, okay. Variable deadline. Complete the task by this. DASK talks, DA lines for July. This should be the program. Okay, now I've corrected the code over here. Now we can run it, save it, and we can run the code. Okay, dot slash variable.assets. Then we can see here, okay, our code is successfully run. So thank you for today. This much for today. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please keep on supporting me. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe and like the button. Click on the like button. Thank you.